Tired of clicking through Gusto's endless menus just to find app integrations? In 3 minutes, see exactly where every integration lives so you can connect tools effortlessly. We'll start on the dashboard, then click through each major Gusto section: people, pay, benefits, and more, so you know exactly where to add any app. Open Gusto. Access your Gusto account to begin the setup process. Click on Home. Go to the main dashboard where you can access the available Gusto features. Click on People. Open the section where employee and team-related options are available. Click on Hiring. Access the hiring-related tools and features. Click on Performance. Open the Performance Management section. Click on Learning. Access the learning and development features. Click on HR Resources. Open the available HR resources and tools. Click on Pay. Access payroll and payment-related features. Click on Expenses. Open the section for managing employee expenses. Click on Reports. Access available reports and reporting tools. Click on Taxes and Compliance. Open the section containing tax and compliance options. Click on Tax Setup. Access the tax setup and configuration options. Click on Tax Documents. View the available tax document options. Click on Tax Credits. Access information and options related to tax credits. Click on Business Insurance. Open the Business Insurance section. Click on Time and Attendance. Access tools related to employee time and attendance. Click on Time Off. Open the options for managing employee time off. Click on Time Tracking. Access the time tracking features. Click on Scheduling. Open the scheduling tools and options. Click on Benefits. Access employee benefits-related features. Click on Documents. Open the Document Management section. Click on Money. Access Gusto's money-related tools. Click on Bill Pay. Open the bill payment features. Click on Invoicing. Access the invoicing tools and options. Click on Payroll Bridge. Open the Payroll Bridge section for payroll-related integrations. Click on Profile icon. Open your account menu to access profile and account settings. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.